Hello guys, I'm Preeti here. I express myself and I do talking to myself here because nobody is watching, and who is watching will not stay longer according to me. And if they stay, well, I welcome you all with my heart. And if you will not, then it's fine for me because honestly I'm just doing it for myself, and I am doing this also maybe this will help anyone, like because किसी के साथ कोई भी सर्कमस्टेंसेस, कोई भी सिचुएशन आ सकती है, तो अगर लाइफ में कहीं कोई बकवास सी या कोई हेल्पफुल चीज़ें वीडियो देख ली हो, सो मे बी यू गेट द आइडिया और you know how to deal with that. So I'm Preeti, and I want to say about my, like, I want to share about my college life. So it's a crap, it's a holy crap. Firstly, and honestly, like, I lived in certain city, okay, come here in Delhi, studying in Delhi University, which is like, according to everyone, according to my relatives, according to everyone around me, okay, which is like a far big opportunity, which I accept, like, okay. But if you are getting a big opportunity, make sure you did it, like, you get that. I mean, कुछ तो बड़ा करो, ठीक है. नो डाउट, ऑब्वियसली जो भी बच्चा या जो भी स्टूडेंट जाता है पढ़ने कहीं पे भी, सो सबके दिमाग में ये रहता है, आई हैव टू डू समथिंग बिग. But nobody is dealing, nobody is listening, and nobody is seeing what pain, what type of problems he or she is going through, like what kinds of pain, what kinds of mental stress, emotional unavailability of anyone. Actually, when I came here, uh, I found myself so lonely, like so lonely, that except crying, I did nothing. Okay, I did nothing, and life is so unpredictable. No, I decided to come here. That was my decision. That was my thing to do. But when I came here, I realized that have I did any mistake or like something like that. No, honestly, if I see, if I haven't did any mistake, but today also, even like almost it's going to uh, I'm going to complete 1 year here, but today also I cannot adapt here. Like, it's hard to me get used to of all this because I find it so cliche, so selfish, and I find here people being so rude or being like so pathetic. Honestly, they are not giving a shit what are you doing. They don't care. Sometimes it's good for you that nobody is saying anything to you, but sometimes it might hurt your emotions, so it's hard for you to deal with all these things. And obviously यार, मम्मी पापा से दूर रहना, it's a very difficult task, I'm telling you. No matter how your parents behave with you, doesn't matter. At the end, you just find peace there only. So I'll tell you one thing. There is a very harsh reality. I think so. Indian students' college life is a total bullshit. According to me, it's a bullshit. Like, people came to renowned colleges, renowned universities just for having fun and not doing anything. If you will see, if you will see the percentage or the ratio, people coming from the IITs or NITs or like AIMS, they are the one who really do great in their life. Actually, mostly, I'm saying that the proportion, the ratio is more than people coming from DU or like different universities. But because the thing is, they are here just for fun. They didn't have any plan in their mind. They don't have any direction. Okay, and if if anybody have this college life, ruin them, because I'm telling you why. There is no schedule here. There is nobody who will guide you, who will there with you. Nobody, even your friends. I would not say to trust them. I will definitely, it's not like I have feel this and whatever. It just, it's safe not to trust anyone so blindly that you might get hurt in future and whatever. So it's a safe choice for you, I would say. And secondly, it's a it's a full chaos. And if you want to know more about college life, comment. If you are seriously watching this, then do comment. And if you are not watching this, then don't worry. When the next time whenever I feel like talking, I will come here and then talk to myself and then go. That's so simple. Like, chill karo, guys. It's just a life. Speak to anyone, and if you don't have anyone, speak to YouTube. I was because this is the best platform you can ever have, because you can't get subscribers too fast, you can't get comments too fast, nobody's watching you. And if you want your thoughts to be memorable, then capture a video, upload it on YouTube, and make it there. Nobody's seeing, like I am doing. And I honestly don't care who is watching me except my parents and my siblings and my relatives, because they are the barriers. No, they're not the barriers. But obviously they don't want me to do all this shit. They want me to study, they want me to study hard, become an IAS officer, and yeah, the whole Indian family thing. So all I want to say, if your parents are supporting you, do whatever you like, and give 100%. But if your parents are not supporting you, then do struggle, do hard work like I do. There is another story also about that, and if you want to know more, do let me know. Take care, guys. Bye bye. I'll upload this. Tada.